The moment you see it, the 2026 Mazda CX-8 gives off this quiet confidence, like it knows exactly what it is and doesn't need to shout about it. The camera glides across its sleek profile, the new chrome-accented grille catching the light just right, and those sharper LED signatures carving out a bold first impression. Mazda has always been good at designing cars that feel alive, and this CX-8 looks like it's breathing in as you approach, ready to move. Step inside and the whole vibe shifts into something even more refined. The cabin feels warmer, cleaner, more deliberate. You get soft-touch materials on every surface you naturally interact with, tight stitching along the dash, and Mazda's signature minimalistic layout that somehow feels more premium than ever. The seats hug gently without squeezing, and the improved sound insulation turns the cabin into a cocoon, even when traffic outside is doing its worst. The new infotainment screen sits wide and crisp, paired with wireless connectivity, a punchier audio system, and that subtly intuitive rotary controller that Mazda loyalists still swear by. But the real story begins when the CX-8 starts to move. Mazda sticks with its philosophy of balance and responsiveness, offering a refined 2.5-liter turbocharged engine that delivers smooth acceleration with a satisfying surge when you lean into it. It's not trying to be a performance SUV, but there's an unmistakable liveliness when you push it, enough to make everyday drives feel a little more intentional. Fuel efficiency sees a quiet improvement, helped by a smarter transmission and slight aerodynamic tweaks, keeping long trips comfortable not just for the engine, but for the wallet. On the road, the steering feels precise without being heavy, and body roll is surprisingly well controlled for a 3-row SUV. It traces corners with a confidence you don't expect from something this practical. The suspension balances comfort and firmness in that classic Mazda way, absorbing the rough stuff while still giving you a feeling of connection to the pavement. Add in the updated safety tech suite, improved lane centering, and smoother adaptive cruise, and the CX-8 becomes a stress-free partner for both long hauls and tight city loops. By the time you look at the numbers, starting price hovering near the mid to upper range of its segment, the CX-8 makes a strong case for itself. You get style that feels handcrafted, a cabin that feels genuinely premium, performance that keeps driving fun, and tech that quietly works with you rather than for show. And as the camera pulls back from the final shot, there's this lingering sense that the story of Mazda's evolution isn't slowing down anytime soon. If this is what they're bringing in 2026, the next chapter is going to be even more intriguing. Stay tuned. There are still plenty of machines waiting to surprise us.